Right, good morning and welcome to this video. Me and Uman are on our way to another American Cars and Coffee thing, which is going to be good fun, hopefully. And yeah, we thought we'd take you along for the ride. I hope you enjoy, and might see you down there. Look at that T-Bird interior in there. Oh, it's got the sideways adjustable column. That is so cool. Beautiful car. That is cool. Proper Hummer. Beautiful car. Huh? It's wicked, isn't it? Feel with them, isn't it? It's beautiful, but this is the same as what Bumblebee is. And this...
Why is there a bag of peanuts?
I recognise that skyline, do you?
Yeah, it's that skyline.
That's beautiful. That is Real Steel's car from YouTube.
Real Steel?
Yeah. I recognise this car, beautiful thing, I love an R34.
I didn't recognise it off of Real Steel. Real Steel has robots in it.
Oh yeah, no, that's his YouTube channel, is Real Steel. Look, Dodge Ram, that's what Mummy wants.
A Dodge Ram?
Yeah.
Why? Why did Mummy want a Dodge Ram?
She loves them. Oh, look at that Jag Mark II as well there. There used to be a detective show with a guy called Inspector Morse who had read one of them.
Actually, did you know,
yeah.
who's it again?
And look at that Corvette there.
What's his name? He's a detective.
Oh, look at that Cadillac.
Like 1980s. Can't remember him now.
Look at the size of that Cadillac.
Hello. Again. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to have that car now. I want to have that car. That's the car I want to have. That's the car I want to have.
That's awesome, isn't it? The front wheels were bouncing off the floor then as well. That's awesome. at this one, he's on one wheel. This is a lowrider. There we are. We've had some fun today, haven't we?
Yeah, there's another Corvette going.
Yeah, right over there. Beautiful Corvettes, aren't they? But yeah, we've had some great fun today. And yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video. If so, then let us know with a like and a subscribe below this one to help us out. And I'll catch you in the next one.